Hey friends, the PNP detected fatal error on your Windows computer is a blue screen of death error which keeps shutting down your system again and again. And if you encounter it, then please watch this video for the resolutions. Now the first solution is to update all drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings in the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options, select optional updates and install any optional updates which are available. The second solution is to disable third-party antivirus. Now, how would you disable any third-party antivirus? Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the list on the left-hand side. Select Installed Apps. Wait for this to load. And then you will have to check for third-party antivirus software products. So if there is any one of them, I don't have it, but if you have any one of them, click on these three dots here and select Uninstall. The last solution is to perform a clean boot on your system, and I'll tell you why. Because a lot of third-party software products are interfering, including antivirus programs. So here's what a clean boot will do. It will stop any third-party software from launching at startup, and it will only launch if you launch it separately. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services check, click on Disable All, click on Apply, then on OK, and then finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.